Have you ever felt like it's really hard to make friends? You want to connect with people, but somehow you always stay alone or struggle to build new friendships. Today, we are going to understand the psychology behind why some people find it difficult to make friends. First, many people who struggle with friendships are highly introverted. Introverts get tired easily from social interactions. While they want friends, too many people or loud environments drain their energy. They prefer deep conversations with one or two people, rather than small talk with many. Second, fear of rejection plays a big role. Some people have been hurt, bullied, or ignored in the past. Because of this pain, their brain starts protecting them by avoiding new connections. They think, if I don't try, I won't get hurt. This fear stops them from starting conversations or opening up. Third, overthinking is a major problem. They constantly think, what if they don't like me? Did I say something wrong? Or am I boring? This overanalysis makes them feel anxious in social situations, so they stay silent or avoid meeting new people altogether. Fourth, low self-confidence and self-worth. Many people who struggle to make friends feel they are not interesting enough, not good-looking enough, or not worthy of friendship. They believe others will reject them, so they don't even give themselves a chance. Fifth, they have high standards for friendship. They don't want shallow or fake friends. They look for deep, meaningful, and loyal connections. Because such friends are rare, they end up having very few or no friends. On the positive side, people who struggle to make friends are often very loyal, deep thinkers, and genuine. Once they make a real friend, they value that relationship deeply. However, long-term loneliness can lead to serious problems like anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. So, what is the final truth? Struggling to make friends is not because you are weird or boring. It's usually because of your personality, past experiences, overthinking, or high standards. If you are someone who finds it hard to make friends, here's what you can do. Start small, smile, and say hello to people. Join groups or communities related to your interest. Be kind to yourself and stop overthinking every interaction. Remember, quality is more important than quantity. You don't need hundreds of friends. Sometimes, even one or two real friends are enough. You are not alone in this struggle. Many good and intelligent people face the same problem. Thank you for watching this video on DreamMindFix. If this video helped you understand yourself better, please like and subscribe for more psychology videos every day. Comment below, do you struggle to make friends? What is the biggest reason according to you? See you in the next video. Take care.